Most Jamaicans celebrate Christmas, but very few people know how this holiday became uniquely Jamaican. Let's go back in time. Christmas first reached Jamaica during British rule in the 1600s, but here's what many people don't realize. During slavery, Christmas became the only period when enslaved Africans got rest, music, and gatherings. Out of that break came something powerful: Jonkunnu, the mass, drums, the cowhead dancer. They weren't just for fun, they were Africans protecting their culture through celebration. After emancipation in 1838, Christmas transformed into a time of community and freedom. People could finally gather without permission, worship freely, visit neighbors, and share food. That's where the tradition of Jamaican Christmas lunches, community cooking, and homemade treats truly began. So when we drink sorrel, bake fruit cake, hear carols on reggae rhythms, and watch Jonkunnu, we're celebrating more than a holiday.